magical days. We're going to get a embroidered hat for my fiance. I guess it's like $7 for premium and then $3 for basic. Hopefully that'll stay like that in the future, but no, well. So we're here at California Adventure. They're celebrating the 60th. Right now you can't really see it because we're in the hat store. But if we go outside here quickly, before Caitlin gets done, you can see banners over here. You can see flags all around there. Yeah, it's going to be nice. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go on Radiator Springs Racers. And yeah, let's see how much fun we can have today. How do you like it, Caitlin?
Amazing.
Awesome. And you're wearing it now?
No, on the 60th anniversary on the Friday.
Ah, the 60th anniversary. Unfortunately, guys, we won't be recording because it's going to be so crowded. So, I know, boo. But we'll do it next time we go to Disneyland because the 60th is going for at least a year. But, yeah, we're going there on Friday. But we're not going to be taping because there's going to be a lot to do and it's going to be really crowded, so it's going to be hard to tape. So we will do it next time we come.
Tell them what you think about it.
About what?
Tape the... see? Oswald tape.
Oh yeah, we're going to go see Oswald now. Caitlin's a little kitty.
It's my kitten.
He's Cheshire Cat. She got the tail for... She got the tail for the 60th.
No, I didn't. We got it for my birthday.
Oh. Oh, that's right, because her birthday's coming up. I'm not telling you how old she is, because you're not supposed to know women's age, right, guys?
Yeah, it's the same age with him.
Yeah, 1987. Now start counting. Oh, look at that. Crystal Cathedral. No, not Crystal Cathedral. Carthay Circle. Celebrating the 60th anniversary with Disneyland. If you can't see on the top there, it's they have diamonds. Nice touch. Oh, looks like the new airfield is open because there are no
There's a bunch of diamonds on it.
Grizzly Peak. What? Oh,
On the side.
look at how cool that is.
You remember? I remember you guys. You came name on Dapper Day this last year.
Yep.
Oh, cute. I love them.
I did it right for the 60th anniversary.
It's perfect. Are you taking a look around some of the decorations today?
Yep.
Have you seen the castle yet?
Looks like Radiator Springs has a new champ. Congratulations.
I don't think my picture was that good though. I was looking over at you. Actually, we just got done with lunch.
Almost.
Yeah, almost.
I pack a lunch. I save you my money. Good tip, right, Corey?
I know, right? But I have enough money in my wallet, so. Anyways, so.
I save you the money. I'm saving it for Friday.
Yep, Friday's big celebration. So, to recap, we saw Olaf. He was pretty cool.
Yep.
We came through.
We gave him one hug.
Yep. And one of the cast members said if he gets too many hugs, he melts. Who knew? So we were walking down Main Street and we saw that they were taping, what was it? Michael and Kelly?
Yeah.
Or Kelly and Michael, one of those shows, live. But we didn't get to see them, unfortunately. But behind them we saw Lightning McQueen and Mater, so that was fun. And then we got some lunch. I had a mac and cheese dog. It's pretty much what you would expect. A hot dog with mac and cheese and bacon. It was okay for my taste. It wasn't the best. But Caitlin showed me that if you take off
the bread away, and to see the hot dog and the mac and cheese, it's just great.
Yep, if you take off the bread and leave it as is, then it's okay.
Much better about the bread.
Yeah. If you guys want to try it, go ahead. And if you have tried it, comment down below and let us know. And yeah, so what will you ride next?
I'm gonna try to catch on the Mad Hatter and Alice.
Then, after that, I hear there's a preview of Tomorrowland. You want to go see that?
Yeah.
And then there's something in the Haunted Mansion I wanted to see.
I wonder what that would be. I don't know. I haven't watched it yet.
I know. What could it be? I don't know.
Maybe the Heckos came back.
Maybe. So, we'll see you in a little bit, you guys.
By Nike Spirits.